10 years ago, 2014, I was an unemployed junior QA. I did not have any degree or education. I did not have any experience. I had some courses that I took. They were not even QA related. I wanted to find a job. I was looking for a job for 1 year. I found it. These are the tips that worked for me. We're going to talk about them today. Hi and welcome to the channel. My name is Regina Santana and I'm here to help you get hired. Today we're going to focus on junior positions. It can be junior QA, junior everyone really. Developer, data science, UI UX designer, QA, program manager. That works for everyone. Creating a strong resume is crucial for beginners, especially for juniors. I struggled with this too, but with the right structure and content, you can increase your chances of getting noticed. That is very important. Just to get noticed at the beginning is already a win. If you're ready to transform your career, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to get more career tips on juniors. First, let's cover some basics. A strong resume should be clear, concise, and tailored to the job position you're applying for. This is really important. Tailor your CV to each job position where you're applying. That means that you cannot physically apply to 500 positions. Try to pace yourself and not to burn out, especially at the beginning. Keep it to one page if possible, especially for a junior. Use a clean, professional layout with clear headings. That is also super important. Choose a simple and readable font like Arial or Calibri. I mentioned them here. Avoid clutter and keep plenty of white space for easy reading. Now let's talk about structure of your resume. Start with the contact information at the very top. This includes your full name, phone number, email address, LinkedIn profile. If you have any GitHub account or any professional link to your portfolio, please add it there as well. This is the example, how it can look like. So, seems pretty easy. Now let's talk about professional summary. This is a brief statement highlighting the key skills that you have and what you bring to the role. Detailed-oriented QA tester with hands-on experience in manual and automated testing. I would also add some tech stack right here, and if you had any experience working in a team before, please add it here. Now let's talk about your key skills. List your key skills in the bullet points for better readability. Tailor the skills to match the job description and focus mostly on technical skills rather than soft skills. Soft skills is something that is going to be checked on the interview anyway. These are the examples that you can add to the tech skills section to your CV. Now let's talk about the experience section. It's not going to be a lot, and I understand you. Even if you do not have a lot of professional experience, include any internships, part-time jobs, or volunteer work related to QA. So anything where you touched QA, or if you're a developer, you developed something, write it down there. Even if you're not paid, that is not the main point. The main point that you had experience, you worked with a team, you worked on the project, you delivered it on time, you did a lot of things that are related to project work. You were not paid, that is not a problem. This is the example I can give, so you can just say junior QA tester, intern, XYZ company, June 2023, August 2023, developed and executed test cases for web applications, identified and documented bugs, collaborating with developers for resolution, assisted in creating automated scripts using Selenium. Here as well, I would recommend you to add the tech stack again. I know we talked about that before, but adding this section again for each job position is just going to make it easier for a recruiter. As for your education, include your educational background, 100% needed. List your most recent degrees first and include relevant coursework if you are recent graduates. As for your education, include your educational background. For example, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, ABC University 2023, relevant coursework, software testing, quality assurance, programming Java, anything can go in here. Now let's talk about the project section. Showcase any project you worked on, whether during school, internship, or personal projects. Highlight what you did and what you achieved. Achievements are very important. For example, QA project, online retail store simulation, conducted manual testing on various functionalities, Here you can talk about the types of testing you did. Developed automated tests using Python and Selenium, reduced bugs by 20% before the final release. That is also really important that you showcase the achievements if you can. As for certifications, list any certifications relevant to the QA. This could be online courses or certifications from recognized institutions. It doesn't really matter. I have never had any ISTQB certification. I just had some courses from Coursera and Code Academy and all those things. They were free, I didn't even pay for them, and it worked for my resume. The example of how it can look is right here. So you just mentioned your certification. Please mention the year of completion as well. If the course took several months, you can also mention that it took several months, because some of the courses are just 1 month or a couple of weeks, and then it's not as relevant to, let's say, 5 months of training. Great, so here are some final tips to polish your resume. Tailor your resume for each job position. Use action verbs and quantify your achievements if possible. Proofread your resume for any errors or typos. Get feedback from mentors or colleagues, or maybe just friends. And really, crafting the perfect resume takes time. But with these tips, you will be well on your way. Now, what's the most challenging part for you about writing your resume? Let me know in the comments and I will make more content on this topic. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe, and we're going to see each other in another one. Keep refining your resume and good luck with your job search.